The Novo ShareNet platform was designed to simplify work and help you track, share, and report on information in more productive ways. As you can see in this demo site, we have other ShareNet apps enabled on the left menu. Additional apps can be added to your subscription at any time depending on your ShareNet edition. This allows you to start small with minimal investment. Then, after you have demonstrated success, you can roll out additional apps to other departments or users for even greater benefit. Well, now let's take a look at the Asset Management app. Most of our new ShareNet Asset Management customers were previously trying to manage their assets in a spreadsheet. The fastest way to get started is by importing your assets from a spreadsheet. But before assets are imported, you may need to add some custom fields. You can easily add custom fields, modify record lists, change data entry forms, and more. To import assets, click on Actions and then Import. Importing your assets allows you to get started quickly. This helps you gain control over your assets and improve productivity right away. Of course, you can also add your assets manually. One of the nice features about ShareNet apps is that we have the ability to create multiple data entry forms for different purposes. In the case of assets, you may want to have one data entry form for equipment and another for furniture. The furniture form may have fields such as type of material, which would be cloth, wood, etc., that would not be appropriate for equipment. Let's just go ahead and click Add to use the default form. And I'm going to create a laptop record here. We're going to come back to the asset code when we use our mobile app. And the owner and group fields, by the way, are related to our permission system. This allows you to easily segment data, who can see what. We're going to go ahead and click Save then. I'm going to relate the asset to a contact. I'm going to click Relate, and then relate that asset to John Smith here. And then we can see that the asset record is related to John Smith. This gives you increased control and accountability for your assets, and a report can easily be created to show assets assigned to each contact. You can also relate assets to an organization. In the case of managing internal assets, organizations would be a list of departments. If, however, you will be tracking equipment sold to customers, organizations would be a list of customers. And if you have the ShareNet Request Management app, you can also add a related request or work order for maintenance-related purposes. And if you need to track preventative maintenance, you may be interested in our preventative maintenance and meter reading modules. These modules allow you to define date-based or meter-based preventative maintenance schedules. Meter readings allow you to log meter readings, which could be odometer miles or other types of units. Properly maintained equipment reduces costly downtime and provides a greater return on your assets by extending its useful life. Some industries, such as healthcare, also have regulatory requirements for preventative maintenance. Here we can see there's an MRI scanner in a hospital, and you can see a quarterly preventative maintenance has been done. The ShareNet Maintenance History Log allows you to easily demonstrate regulatory compliance. For further automation, custom business rules and workflows can be defined in the Professional and Enterprise Edition. By the way, one of the design goals of the ShareNet platform was to be powerful and easy to use. To help you learn it even faster, we not only have a built-in help system, but we also have the ability built in to view tutorial videos. You can click on those and view videos whenever it's convenient for you. Now let's take a look at the Novo ShareNet mobile app. Let's tap on Assets to open the Assets mobile app. To add a new asset, you would simply tap the Add button. But let's put an asset tag on the asset we added earlier. We will tap Edit and then tap the Asset Code field. This will cause the barcode scanner icon to appear. We can then scan the barcode tag we just put on the asset. This uses the camera on your mobile device to scan the barcode tag. As mentioned before, if you have the Request Management app, you can also view and update maintenance records on your mobile device. While we're here, let's take a picture of an asset. We're going to tap Related Attachments, tap Add, give it a title. We're going to say Picture. And then press Upload. This will allow us to take a picture of the asset. And then we can tap on that and then view the image. Before we finish on the mobile app, let's see how easy it is to move an asset record. We'll tap Assets again, and then tap the barcode scanner icon to scan the tag and find it in the system. We then tap the asset record and then tap Edit. Tapping on the Location drop-down field allows us to change the location. And then we finish by clicking Save and Close. It's that simple. Now let's get back to the full web application and finish up with reporting and dashboards. Being able to quickly update your assets from any location is vital to keeping information up to date. With accurate records, you can optimize asset utilization. It also reduces the chance of ordering equipment you don't need. But what value is having accurate information without powerful reporting tools? All additions come with our standard report builder. You can get to the standard report builder by just simply clicking Add Report. Then you can edit reports, run reports by clicking on the link, or if the report is a chart report, you can click on the chart here. With the standard report builder, you can step through the wizard to select the data field you want to report on, as well as define grouping, sorting, and filtering. We won't step through all the details, but you can go through, select your columns, and then do properties, grouping, and filtering, etc. So here's an example of what a standard report looks like. You can see in this case, we're grouping by asset type, and we can do a count. So these are some of the basic things you can do with a standard report. You can also export those in various formats. Charts can also be created from standard reports. I'm going to click on this chart icon. This will display a pie chart of the various types of assets. I can click on a pie slice and open up the details, and then further click all the way in and go to the details of that particular asset record. The standard report builder meets many reporting needs, but if you want to create really nice looking and more advanced reports, you will want to use our Advanced Report Designer, which is included in our Professional and Enterprise editions. You can run an advanced report by clicking this Run Advanced Report icon if it's been created. This depreciation report is an example of what you can do with an advanced report. It demonstrates the use of calculated fields and a more advanced layout. The Advanced Report Designer has a lot of capabilities and takes a little while to learn. As a result, it is intended to be used by more technical users. And finally, charts created with the Advanced Report Builder can be added to the dashboard, so you can easily and quickly see information at a glance. Again, these pie slices are clicked through to get to the detail. Reports and dashboards give managers as well as purchasing and accounting departments visibility to see the assets they have, how those assets are being used, and what their value is. In conclusion, the Novo ShareNet platform was designed with over 10 years of lessons learned from our previous applications. There are other capabilities we were not able to cover in this short demo, such as the powerful data integration capabilities of our Enterprise Edition or our flexible permission system, but we hope we have covered enough to encourage you to take the next step with us. We invite you to request a free 30-day trial today. Simply click on the green free trial button above and see for yourself how easy it is to simplify your work and improve how you track, share, and report on your assets.